Hi there, we're going to look at one of the past paper questions as set for homework. We're looking at the Core 1 paper, June 2015, question 4. It's a sequences question, but it's not an arithmetic one. It's a recurrence relation one, a bit like a Fibonacci type sequence. So we've got the recurrence relationship given in the question, and it says u of n plus 2 equals 2 times u of n plus 1 minus u of n. It tells us what the first two terms are. We need those to generate the next few terms, and it's a simple one marker to get u3, the third term, stick in the second, stick in the first, so it's 2 times the second minus the first is 4. And what's going to happen in this case, they're all 4. No matter what I do for the next two terms, if I'm using 4 and 4, I'm going to get 4 again, which is why part B, for 2 marks, find the sum of the first 20 is simply 4 times 20, which is 80. Nice and straightforward at that stage there. When we look on though to the second one, it's exactly the same recurrence relationship, but in this case we've got these two terms here. So in terms of k, v1 equals k, and v2 equals 2k. And for a marker piece, work out v3 and v4, so do the same thing. So stick 2k into this slot here, stick k into the second slot there, times the first one by 2, minus the second one, we get 3k. Do the same for the next term along. Put the 3k in this slot here, put the 2k in that one there, because that's the third term, that's the second term. 2 times 6 minus 2, 4k. And it's a marker piece with those. Now, to find the sum of the first 5 terms, in these cases, these recurrence relationships, there's not a formula. You're never going to be asked to find the sum of the first 100 terms. All you need to do is work out all the terms, add them all up and put them equal to whatever it's going to be. So in the same way as before then, v5 is 2 times v4, 4k, minus v3, which was 3k, and unsurprisingly, 5k. So at this stage here, there's my first mark. My second mark is for sticking all the first 5 terms, k, 2k, 3k, 4k, and 5k, equal to 165 in the question. There's my second mark, and solve it. Add them all up. 15k is 165, k is 165 over 15, which is 11, and that's it. So a mark for finding the fifth one, a mark for setting up the equation. You must have the equals 165 there. It's no point having an expression without seeing the equals 165. So do it as early as you can, and then solve it for your last mark. Okay, remember, for these ones there's no formula. You're never going to be asked to work out the sum of the first 20, the sum of the first 100, unless, like the ones before, there's a nice easy pattern to them. But when they're all different, find whatever they're asking you to do, the individual terms, add them all up, and there's your sum. Okay, thank you.